welcome back to Kizer channel. This is Prybar. Today I want to put out something different and fun for you. Catshark. Catshark is a user-friendly and non-locking knife, and it's also a collaboration between Yue and Azo. Yue is famous for his cyber blade, while Azo is well known for his big lighter. We have two variations of Catshark, Grey G10 and Mikata. It's pretty practical and multifunctional. Later I will show you some specs, but I want you to stick all around through to the end of the video, and I want to show you how to use this knife as a makeshift tool to light up the fire starter rod. We have two variations of Catshark, Grey G10 and Mikata. The backside is made of titanium. You can open this knife in two ways: thumb hole and front flipper. Both have great actions thanks to the bearing system. So that's the Mikata one. Thumb hole and traditional flipper. We use N690 as the blade steel with nice flat ground profile. That means the knife is durable and easy to maintain. The blade thickness is approximately as thick as a fire starter rod. And the jimping on the spine not only gives you more traction when using the knife, but it can also light up the fire starter rod. Later I will show you. And this front flipper utilizes the FF as the bottle opener. Let's take a look at the handle. The longer titanium part not only have lanyard attachment, a small wrench, and the protruding part can also be used as a light task Prybar. Another amazing part shows up. You can use the fire starter rod or the bar to butt lock the knife to prevent the blade from accidental closing, which gives you more extra security. By the way, Catshark is equipped with deep pocket clip, thus it can sit in your pocket nicely. Catshark can give you crispy action and a nice grip with so many fun fidgeting factors. I wish you enjoy this peculiar critter.